Welcome to vlog number 3 already. Man, 3 vlogs in, it's going quick. So come along for our next adventure and let's enjoy ourselves together. Next project's coming together. The customer built us a nice treated wood rack. They wanted to participate. They got stuff trenched in here. Anchor feet going in nicely on our stand. You can see them up there. And we're about to drive in the last one. Renee's getting the last anchor foot in there and onto rails. All right, we're back on site again today. As you can see now, the solar array is going up. 14 modules right here. It's going to make like a little cold storage garage as well. So we're completing dual functions with the solar. So pretty neat little project and it's fun to do. Modules are installed. Next step is just to wire them all together. So let's get that done. We have completed our AC connection for the solar system here at Junction Box. We have our utility coming up right here. So that's coming from the utility transformer and disconnect. We went into the junction box and back into the electrical panel for the home. And then now we have the solar circuit, AC circuit heading out over here. It runs down and heads along and goes all the way around the house and back to where we're going to mount the inverter system, solar array, and all the equipment off the ground. We have our emergency disconnect switch here. Allows us to shut the system down. And then we trenched in. We come up to another point of connection here for the AC. There's another set of breakers in here. We have another breaker for our solar circuit. And then we've actually installed 2 electrical plugs out here. So you can see here for the homeowner, we just installed a few plugs. It's wired in nice and neat and strapped. And we're in here. Another plug over here. Good access, and the homeowner's already installed a light in there. And quick view of the array here. Came out pretty nice. There we go. Dropping down on the bank, but nice little array tucked in here. And what a perfect place for it. All right, we have completed the installation out here. We have a final little walkthrough here, and we'll show you guys what it's all about.